Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I have such an exciting and awesome and unique subscription box to unbox today. This is from Match Made Coffee. It says, "A gift for your taste buds has arrived." This is a monthly subscription box of craft coffee with gourmet cookies that are perfectly matched up flavor pairings. Doesn't that sound amazing? When I saw this company, I think I found it on Instagram, I was like, are you serious? That's the most delicious subscription box I have ever heard of. And then this company was so nice to send me this box for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I will let you know that this was sent to me for free. But I am so excited to show you what this is. I just think this is an amazing gift. I am just such a big fan of subscription boxes, and I feel like they are such a great gift to give this holiday season. And I can think of so many people that would love this as a gift. So let's see what you get. Okay, this is seriously a perfect gift for me, for my boyfriend James, for my parents. This is awesome. Okay, so you get 2 cookies, which are gourmet cookies made fresh, sealed right away for freshness. So this one here is the rosemary balsamic cookie. Fancy. I'm sure I've never had cookies as fancy as what comes in here. So it's rosemary extra virgin olive oil with fresh rosemary, cracked black pepper, lemon zest, and balsamic syrup from the company Cravery Cookies. So this is a really great way to try out different bakeries as well. So, oh my gosh, that kind of sounds like maybe it's like a savory cookie. And then this is a second rosemary balsamic, the same cookie. So maybe I'll be nice enough to share with James, my boyfriend. And then the coffee that I got, which is supposed to be perfectly paired with those cookies. Ooh, and it's ground coffee, dark roast. It's the Kenya Boma AA, single origin organic. It says this dark roast is sweetly delicate yet deeply fragrant and intricate. Harvested in the rich soils within the heart of East Africa, enjoy a complex arrangement of flavor notes from black currant and balsamic to red clover, honey, and tamarind. And it says it matches with honey-flavored snacks, tea cookies, or the rosemary balsamic cookie. That is so fun and unique, and I feel like that just makes it even more of an exciting gift because it really is giving someone a flavor experience that they probably wouldn't normally come by. And I like that this is a big bag of ground coffee. I use a coffee pot, so that's how I make my coffee. I don't use a Keurig or anything like that. If you did have a Keurig, you could probably do the make your own K-cup type to use this coffee. But I'm so excited to try this. It says that the organic coffees are roasted and ground fresh to order each month for the boxes. The gourmet cookies are baked fresh, packaged, and delivered right to your doorstep. And they're going to be perfectly paired together. Oh, it just sounds like such an amazing treat. And it's free shipping and it's $19.95 a month. Well, I think that I need to put this to the taste test. So I'm going to insert a clip of my boyfriend and me trying these products out, and we'll give you our taste test thoughts. But seriously, this just got me so excited about this box. I'll have in the description down below the link to the website if you're interested in signing up. But this is so unique, and you just never really know what you're gonna get each month, which I think makes it so fun and exciting. So stay tuned for the taste test, but I wanna thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.
Go ahead and smell it.
Smell it? What's it smell like? Smells good? It smells good. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Does it taste any different than regular coffee?
Tastes just kind of like a breakfast blend, kind of.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Kind Kind of, I think it.
Yeah.
And then try this cookie that's perfectly paired with that coffee.
Apparently. Oh. And that's a good cookie.
Yeah? Is it sweet or savory?
Sweet. It's got like a little bit of a zing to it, honestly.
Does it pair perfectly with the coffee?
Oh yeah.
All right, my turn.
Yeah, rosemary balsamic, that would probably be the
You
little
taste
thing
it?
the thing I tasted.
It is a delicious coffee, and since I know it kind of has like a rosemary hint to it, I can kind of get that, but it just tastes like a really nice, good quality coffee.
I can definitely taste that now that I read the description.
And then let's see the cookie. It definitely tastes really fresh. Like it's really soft still. And it's like moist and really good. And it's not super savory and it's not super sweet. For me, like it's a perfect in between. And I definitely think it tastes really good with the coffee too. Like this is probably not a cookie that when I went into the bakery, I would think to order, but I love it. It's delicious. Yum! Oh, I'm so excited about this subscription.